it is very important how to read the graph, learn how to read the graph. So that is when you pick a newspaper or in the internet, when you Google, and if there is business information in graph format, you should be able to read it and understand it. So number 5 is graph reading application. Finance. The following graph shows the number of FDIC insured financial institution in the United States for the year 1990 through year 2010. So number A is this the graph of a function? If you run a vertical line test, everywhere the vertical line test crosses this graph only at one point. That means yes, this is a graph of a function. That is, for every value, for every input, there is one output. What does the domain represent? The domain is year 1990 to year 2010. Okay, that is a year. And estimate the range. The range is the y value. So you look at the graph. So the lowest point in the graph is between 7,000 and 8,000. That means you estimate here it is closer to 8,000. So your lowest point estimate is going to be 7,500, 7,600, 7,700. Those are all good estimates. 700, 800 and so on. So that's a very good estimate here. Then the upper end, it is between 15,000 and 16,000, and it looks like halfway. So 15,400, 15,500, 15,600, all those are good estimates. So those are an estimate. If you have the actual value, if you have the data in your hand, then just tell us. And it looks like they have the data, and they say that the lowest value is 7,750 and the highest value is 15,400. So those are the range. Please subscribe, share and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share and like.